Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. Now to create your avatar using Corcel AI tool, open your search engine. Here, type in app.corcel. You see it, .io. Now click on search. Here we are inside the Corcel app. Now click on this grid icon here. Now click on avatar. Now here, click on here, drag and drop an image. Click here. Now select the image you want to create an avatar on. Now click on done. Now here, describe how you want the avatar to be, like this. Here I will show you my secret of generating avatars. See it now. Now add this line icon here. Now add change background. Now slide down, click on generate avatar here. Now wait for it to generate the avatar. Now as you can see, the AI is processing it. You see it. You see the avatar is just generated for me. You see it. That's how to generate your avatar using Corcel AI tool. If you want to know more about this AI tool, watch this video on the screen here to know everything on how to use this AI tool. This is a powerful AI tool. Now, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorial like this. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section below. I will do so to reply you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.